Southern fried cabbage. Yes, yes, and yes. What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious and easy recipe. Guys and gals, this is just simply amazing. All right, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get into it. Let's get started. So I have my heat here to about a medium. And what I'm gonna do is drop in about 12 strips of bacon that I have chopped up, all right? So you wanna go ahead and let that cook down until your bacon is nice and crispy. Once that's taken care of, you wanna go ahead and remove your bacon from the heat, and we are gonna drop in some of that Andouille sausage. So here comes that Andouille sausage. This is one of my favorite sausage. It is just jam-packed with flavor. So amazing, all right? So you wanna go ahead and cook that down for about 3 to 4 minutes, and we are gonna remove it from the heat. And as you can see, we did cook that sausage in that bacon fat. We did not drain that off at all. We're using it to cook basically the rest of these ingredients. So once we have our Andouille sausage out of the pan, we're gonna drop in a little bit of minced garlic as well as some chopped up onions and bell peppers. You wanna go ahead and mix that in, let it cook down for an additional 3 minutes or so before we add in about 1 head of cabbage that we chopped up. All right, guys? So once our cabbage is in there, you know we got to season it oh so proper. On the screen I have listed everything you need to do so. So go ahead and season it up, mix it all in, get all the flavors communicating with one another as we always do on this channel right here. So we are going to drop in about 1/4 cup of chicken broth, and we are going to top this off and let it cook down for about 10 minutes or so. Like I said, our heat remained on medium, 10 minutes covered, all right? Once that 10 minutes is up, go ahead and remove that lid, all right? And look at this goodness right here. Go ahead and give it a little mix, and we are gonna bring back in that bacon and that Andouille sausage. Get those in there, mix them up, combine them, and you are just about done. How easy is that? How delicious is that? Come on now. So here you have it. Southern fried cabbage, took no effort at all. Simply amazing, simply delicious. Your whole family's gonna love this one. I guarantee it. I put my stamp on it. Come on now. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you haven't already, give your boy a like. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video. It helps a lot when you guys come back and comment on the videos and whatnot. I really appreciate it. And rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. I will see you all on the next one. Deuces.